Mazzonetto is an important company in the Italian textile sector, and since 1966 it has also been a family story. The Mazzonetto company was set up in Musile di Piave in the province of Venice, thanks to the creativity and entrepreneurial spirit of Bruna and Franco Mazzonetto, the two founding members. Hard work and selective choices gave rise to a production output that was typically craftsman-orientated, bringing with it great market success and consequently leading to the constant amplification and modernization of the company. Thus, in 1972, Mazzonetto moved house to the plant in Fossalta di Piave, in the productive heart of northeast Italy, and began their mercurial national and international rise, offering their own knitwear designs and the precise connotation of quality made in Italy. All carried out in full respect for the environment and with the employment of green energy. The family tradition has carried over into the new generation. Cristina and Valentino Mazzonetto are devoted to the company and personally follow all aspects of its running. Cristina Mazzonetto stands out particularly in the position of style manager, while Valentino Mazzonetto is the coordinator of the sales network. Today, Mazzonetto SPA has the exterior aspect of a state-of-the-art modern Italian company, but the underlying creative spirit is still that of old, and all production continues to be carried out in Italy, not only guaranteeing meticulous control over the production stages, but also the exclusive Italian origin of their knitwear garments. An area of 70,000 square meters houses the production plant, the offices, the central warehouse, the company sales outlet, and a showroom holding all the collections. The production plant, the beating heart of the company, is staffed by highly specialized personnel and equipped with a multiplicity of modern technology that allows the development of ever more complex working techniques in differing grades of fineness, from 3 to 14, to seamless whole garment, characterized by great comfort and exclusive design. The history of our knitwear is 100% Italian. In the production plant at Fossalta di Piave near Venice, all the creative design and production stages of each individual knitwear garment is carried out under constant quality control scrutiny. The conception of each garment, from research to the first sketch, reflects the Mazzonetto idea of fair price fashion, whilst keeping tabs on cool trends and captivating looks. The stylistic design stage, carried out by hand and using computer-aided support under the guidance of Cristina Mazzonetto, covers the selection of materials and accessories through to the realization of the first prototype, color selection and drawing up the technical brochures, all with precise measurements. For the raw materials, Mazzonetto rely on the most prestigious Italian spinning mills, also using the renowned Scottish cashmere. Each Mazzonetto garment is a work of art. Each individual artist in our working group contributes their highly significant professionalism and creativity from the first sketch to the finished garment, expressing their profound affection for the garment throughout each stage. In the production plant, the weaving stage transforms the yarn into unstitched cloth or into a complete garment using the whole garment technique. The tailoring or dressmaking stage presents various difficulties and gives the product that little bit extra. Clever hands quickly assembling the garment with great attention and passion, stitch by stitch. The production cycle continues inside the Mazzonetto plant, where every garment is checked, washed and fulled to ensure softness and comfort, and then ironed twice using avant-garde presses. Size control is carried out, and then each garment is ironed by hand using a steam iron. Care is taken over all the elements that make up each individual garment. Every single button, finishing, label and tag are applied with the maximum care and attention, in full respect of that craftsman's idea that only Made in Italy can offer. Final control and folding is carried out garment for garment with extreme patience. Organization, strategy, professionalism, responsibility, passion, taste, a great deal of work and patience, tried and tested synergy, interwoven in a complete production cycle leading to the final product. An authentic thread that accompanies this great Italian knitwear product, directly from the manufacturer to the customer. The manufactured garments are moved to the shipping department, and from there they are sent to the Mazzonetto sales outlets, always followed by our personnel and using our own transport. The Mazzonetto trademark transmits genius, enterprise, aesthetic taste, and all the style of an authentic Italian garment to their single trademark sales outlets in Italy and abroad. Mazzonetto offer knitwear collections for women and men, and a selective collection of pure Scottish cashmere. In all our single trademark sales outlets, there is an in-fashion, total young look, thanks to the presence of both jersey and cloth garments, offering a complete collection that is winning yet always at the right price. Today, Mazzonetto's core business is retail expansion, but the enormous productive capacity of the company allows them to look further ahead in the search for partners and foreign collaboration that will spread Made in Italy throughout the world. The craftsman's passion has grown up, and Mazzonetto's mission is now aimed at winning over all those who are looking for quality garments, who love warmth, who believe in Italian production, and in such an idea as the Mazzonetto family.